Hi, hope you're having a lovely day. This is another unboxing video and it is September's edition of Look Fantastic. Now this is their birthday box and it is absolutely stunning. So if you're new to Look Fantastic, I will give you a quick lowdown about what it is. It is a beauty monthly subscription box and it costs £15 a month, which includes postage and packaging, and you can cancel any time. They do ship worldwide. I'm not sure of the shipping costs, but if you were to click on the links and message them, or there might be some information on the website there that I haven't seen, the information might be there, but I'll link everything down below, so click on the show more and that'll bring up description and it'll all be down there, so if you want to take a look afterwards. As well as all the products inside this box, I will have a search online, find them and link them down below and try and find out an actual overall cost of this box, which I love to do just to see what the value is. So for a monthly rolling subscription, as I said, it's £15. You can opt for a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription, I believe. For 12-month subscription, I think it brings it down to £13 a box. Now I love Look Fantastic, not just for their boxes, but their contents too. They have 6 beauty products in here. They tend to be more skincare heavy and they tend to be more deluxe sample size. We do get full-size items in here, but we do get a lot of samples, but they're high-end samples. So you're talking an £80 Elemis cream, you know, we'll get like 10 or 15 mils worth. So yeah, it's quite nice. It depends on what you look for in a box. I've got to be as honest as possible with you. You're paying £15, you might get samples, it might be skincare heavy, but that is Look Fantastic, in my opinion. I've been with them since November, so it seems to be that way. I'm happy with that. I'm all for skincare. I love it, but I do love some makeup as well. And we do get the odd 1 or 2 pieces in every single box. Inside the box, you also get a magazine. You get a free subscription to Elle Magazine. And also there's a leaflet, which I'll show you. And that's like a little mini magazine. So it tells you everything about the products that are inside the month's box. It tells you a little bit about the theme surrounding the month's box. And also it gives you like interviews and reviews and things. Because Look Fantastic is actually an online retail store. So it sells everything beauty. They've generally got free shipping, they've generally got deals on, so if I can find a deal, say 20% off if you spend over a certain amount, whatever, I'll link that down below as well. So yeah, so let's open it up and see what we got inside. There's always a quote in the lid and it says, "Another year older and more fantastic than ever," referring to themselves. So this is what it looks like. This is the leaflet that I told you, the little mini magazine. And on the back, it always tells you a sneak peek for the following month. So in next month's box, if you don't want to know what it is, look away now. But that's what we're getting. I don't think I've heard of this brand before. But it sounds quite nice. So I'll refer to that as we go along on the video. We get the Elle magazine. Now this would cost you, if you were to buy this, where does it say? £4.40. So you get that every single month. So if you like magazines, that was quite a nice touch. And this is how it arrives all packaged gorgeously. Christmas has come early. Oh my word, that's the first thing that I see. So I put that to the side. I'll just give you a quick look to see what you can see there. You might not be able to see anything, but I don't want to tip it too much or else it'll all fall out. So what is this Christmas thing then? Is this relating to their advent calendar? Christmas has come early. The 2018 Look Fantastic advent calendar will be available to pre-order on the 7th of September, and we're offering 20% off exclusive for our subscribers. Oh, that's good, because it costs, I think it's about £79. I think £79, and I'm not sure if I can get it this year. I got it last year and I absolutely loved it. I use it daily. It's got my daily makeup in it and I love it, but I wasn't sure if I'd be able to get it this year. But no, 20% off, that's good. So there's a code there, so I'll link that down below. So if you are a subscriber or you fancy becoming a subscriber and you want that 20% off, you can take a look down below. Oh my God, I just realised, look at the packaging. That is so pretty. Can you see there? It's like a mermaidy type packaging. Oh my word, that is beautiful. Normally we get like, you know, tissue worm type things, and this is the same, but it's all like holographic and shimmery and oh, it's beautiful. I might save that actually and put it in one of my giveaway boxes because it's really nice. So it's the Eve Lom cleanser and it's the facial cloth as well. So that's what that looks like there. It's a nice size. I've had one of these before, not sure in what beauty box. Well, that's the problem when you get a few and you've been doing it for a long while. You forget where you get things from. So this is a 20ml and these do last quite a while. I've got one by Emma Hardy and I've got others as well, or I've tried others, and it's like a gel consistency. So my nails are going into it now. I should use my other hand really, I've got no nails. But yeah, you can see there. Ooh. So it's like a balm. And you've got a muslin cloth then to wipe it off. So the information in the booklet says that this regenerate your skin like never before with Eve Lon's multi-award winning multi-purpose skin cleanser suitable for all skin types. This exfoliating cleanser decongests, softens and even removes stubborn waterproof makeup from your skin. Apply the cleanser once a day for normal to dry skin types or twice a day for congested skins. Massage a small amount onto the face and neck over makeup and grime for the day. Run the muslin cloth under hot water and in small circular movements work the cloth across the face and neck to remove all traces of cleanser and makeup. Tip: warm the cleanser between your hands first to melt the crystals before application. So, you know, always handy to have. I do like them. They just feel amazing. They're just so thick and creamy when you're massaging them on your face. So no, I do like them. Omorovicka, I think I've pronounced that right. And it's a mud mask, Ultra More mud mask, and this is a 5ml. And that's what that looks like there. Just take it off. I wonder if I've had this before as well. I'm not sure. It rings a bell. I'm wondering if I had it in a rocker box maybe? I can't think now. So it's a little glass jar and it's a mud mask, so it smells nice. So enough there to do maybe one, maybe twice. You might get enough in there. Okay, so detox, cleanse and revive your skin with this mask that works to purify, energize and define the contours of your face. Using a range of anti-aging benefits, this clay mask expertly hydrates and protects your skin as it works deeply to lift and brighten your complexion. Apply to your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Leave them for 15 minutes, then remove thoroughly with a damp facial mitt or cloth. And it says if you have combination skin, try using this specifically on your T-zone. So that's what I would be doing because I've got normal to combination. So next item, oh, it looks like an oil. I love an oil. Aromatherapy Associates, bath and shower oil. And this is a 9ml glass bottle. Ooh, I love aromatherapy smells and oils and things. What's this like? Oh, it's nice. It is nice. Ooh, I'm not used to using oils in the bath, or I have showers more than anything. But yeah, for the bath, but not in the shower. But what's it say? Make your bath or shower time even better with this luxurious bath and shower oil by Aromatherapy Associates. This month you'll have either received the lavender and peppermint or the Revive morning bath and shower oil. Both allow you to indulge in a moment of peace and experience the invigorating powers of aromatherapy in the comfort of your own home. Add a capful of your oil to your warm bath or massage onto your torso. Cup your hands, bring them to your face and inhale deeply for 3 minutes. Oh. And it says your tips: inhale the incredible scents of this bath and shower oil will help when practicing mindfulness or meditation. So make time for some me time this month and prepare for extreme relaxation. Oh nice, I'm going to do that. The fourth item is, oh my gosh, this is a bit naughty. Well, not right. I'll just show you what it is. Philip Kingsley, and it's the Elasticizer, and it's an intensive super conditioning pre-shampoo treatment for all hair types. It adds elasticity, manageability, bounce and shine. So this is a 40ml hair product, which is great. Really exciting to try it. Really exciting. But the fact is, I've just ordered one from Feel Unique. Now, Feel Unique is a sample service. It's not subscription. You just opt in, you just have a look online. If there's some samples you want, you just buy them. If not, you just leave it. Cost you £3.95, postage and packaging included in that, and you can choose up to 5 samples. Now, they had a load of these at the moment. So yeah, so for 5 samples, including one of these, it's £3.95. So that's why I was a bit shocked when I saw it, because it's classed as a sample. But as I said at the start of this video, Look Fantastic do add samples, but they do add good size samples, which it is, but it's just a coincidence, and it might annoy the heck out of some people, the fact that it's in Feel Unique, which is only cost less than £4 to buy a box full of samples like these. So yeah, what are your thoughts? Let me know down below. So it says here, the elasticizing factor of the shampoo treatment smooths each strand to incredibly silkiness, improves the suppleness of your hair, stretchability, strength and shine, whilst leaving it softer, less brittle, beautifully manageable and lustrous. Before shampooing, apply the elasticizer to wet hair in sections, leave in for 2 to 3 minutes and then rinse thoroughly. Shampoo and condition as normal. And for tips, if you suffer with dry or damaged hair, leave in your hair for 10 minutes and cover with a plastic cap. This will leave your hair super soft and strengthened. Now I'm really excited to try that, and if I love it, then yeah, fantastic, I got one coming with Feel Unique. So win-win. So that's our 4th item. Our 5th item is a packet of sweets. How many is left? This is an added extra. They've added it because it's their 4th birthday box. I should have said at the start, I just read it here. It's their 4th birthday. So this is, oh my word, giant Parma violets, and they're by Swizzles, and they're free from artificial colours and they're suitable for vegetarians. They are literally huge. I remember when I was little having a tiny packet that were really long and thin. I love them, absolutely love them. So no, I'm really chuffed to have these. I know they're very much a love-hate thing from like talking to my friends. Some people love them, some people hate them, but unfortunately for me, I love them. So there's no information in the book, so this is an added extra. So the next item is, it's a makeup item, and what is it? It's a Lord & Berry, but it doesn't say what it is. It's like a pearly pencil. You can see there. And that's what that looks like there. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. It's got a nice nib. It's like a gold shimmer. Not sure if my camera will pick that up there. You might see something. Oh, there. Really nice. The sort of thing, because the point is so nice and it's not too soft, it's the sort of thing I would apply maybe on top of liquid eyeliner or in a highlight and smudge it out, or actually just on underneath the very bottom of my eyebrow, just there. Oh, I like this, I do. Let's see what it says here. So, Lord & Berry Strobing Pencil. Add a subtle glow to your skin with this pink highlighting pencil. Oh, it's pink! No, it's more like a peach colour. Maybe there's a few different colours that are in different boxes. By Lord & Berry. This is perfect to creating a radiant glow in specific areas of your face thanks to the precision tip. It's so multifunctional, you can use this on your cheekbones, brow bone, or on the cupid's bow, or whatever else you fancy. Lightly dot the pencil across wherever you would like to highlight and blend out with your fingertips. Yes, precisely, exactly what I said. Which is why I'm going to love using that. No, I'm really chuffed with that. So our next item, oh, it looks like a familiar item. Oh no, it's not. I haven't had this. The brand is familiar. It's Mane & Tail, but this is a hand and nail therapy. So it's, what is it? Intensive protein enriched moisturizer, and this is a 57-gram bottle. Ooh, oh, I'm gonna have to open that and try it. Tried their shampoos. We've had their shampoos and conditioners in Look Fantastic, I think, and Glossibox. I think Glossibox as well, and yeah, they're lovely. Really good. So it smells really nice. Very subtle smell, but it feels really nice. It's more like a gel consistency, not like a cream then. It's more like a gel, but it just leaves my hands really soft. No, I like it. I like it's a bit different. So this fast absorbing and non-greasy cream targets cracked, dry skin not only on your hands but on your feet and body. When applied to hands, it strengthens and protects nails to leave them strong and healthy. Expect smooth, comfortable and rejuvenated skin all over straight after application. Massage into dry skin on your hands, feet or body, especially knees and elbows. And it says use after removing false nails to soften any irritated skin and restore your nail strength. So, when I first saw this, I thought it would be the shampoo, and it was like, okay, yeah, it is good, but we've had it before. But no, I love the fact that it's a hand and nail cream, and it does feel really nice. It does feel really nice. It absorbs really quickly. So those are the items. I'll just gather them all up. So there, as always, I need 3 hands. I can't grab them all. So we got 6 products, including this freebie item, which is the Parma Violet Sweets. So in this month's box, we've got the Mane & Tail Hand and Nail Therapy Cream. We've got the Ormarovitska if I pronounce that right, mud mask. We've got the Eve Lom cleanser with a cloth. We've got the Philip Kingsley elasticizer. My mind went blank then. We've got the Lord and Berry strobing pen or pencil, and we've got Aromatherapy Associates Reviving Morning Shower and Bath Oil. So there's the items there. I think there's a few familiars. Like I said, we got this in a subscription box before. I do like it, but I had that quite a long while ago. I'm sure I've tried this before. I'm sure it's a rocker box, but I will give it a go because I can't remember what my thoughts were of it. But no, really excited to try this on my hair. Really happy. And these, I really like them. Sorry, I'm just grabbing everything now, and I've got too many bracelets on, so apologies if it's doing your head in, all the clinking around. I've got too many big ones and they make a heck of a noise. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, it'd be lovely to give me a big thumbs up. I'd love to know your thoughts on this month's box, so please comment down below, as I love reading them and commenting back. And I hope that you will carry on watching and subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye bye.